Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. It's me again, and in this edition I wanted to go over a surefire method to lose weight effectively. I'm quite a regular on answers.yahoo.com, and a lot of questions I get is pertaining to weight loss, obviously. I get questions such as, if I were to run 3 miles and eat X amount of calories, will I lose weight? Or another example would be, in 9 months I have a wedding to go to, can I lose the 20 pounds if I eat just these types of foods and work out 4 times a week? Now, without a solid game plan and a true understanding of how the body works, the chances are you're going to be unsuccessful. A lot of people crash diet, go on these crazy detox Hollywood diets. Some people are starving for a few days, hoping they can lose the weight and then slowly incorporating the food, but unfortunately that's been unsuccessful, which causes people to binge. So this video is very crucial to losing weight effectively, because without a solid understanding and a foundation of how your body works, the chances are you're going to fail. So let's get started.
Alright, go to your web browser and type in this link, or you can go to google.com and type in BMR calculator, and the first link should be identical to this link. So go ahead and click that. And this next part is pretty self-explanatory. You'll be directed to a page where you can just type in your relevant information, your height, weight, age, gender, and then hit calculate BMR. Alright. Follow this next step while I quickly go over BMR. BMR basically means basal metabolic rate, and what this represents is the number of calories that you burn at rest. This is when you're just sleeping, breathing, and pretty much just living. So this number is crucial to have, because based on this number, when you plug that into the Harris-Benedict equation, which I'll go over shortly, you'll be able to find out the number of calories that you need to maintain your weight. The Harris-Benedict formula/equation takes into account your activity level. The more active you are, the more calories you're able to consume per day without gaining a ton of weight. Obviously, the less active you are, the less buffer you have for the amount of calories that you can consume per day without gaining weight. Here's a quick example. Let's say after plugging in all the numbers that Mary needs 2,000 calories to maintain her current weight. She obviously wants to lose weight, so by creating a caloric deficit of 500 per day through diet and exercise, she will lose 1 true pound per week. You have to remember that you need to create a caloric deficit of 3,500 calories total to lose 1 true pound. So if Mary is able to create a caloric deficit of 500 per day, you multiply that by 7 days in the week, you get 3,500 calories. Also remember that it doesn't really matter how you create the 500 caloric deficit per day. On her workout days, she would be able to get away with consuming 1,750 calories as long as she burned 250 through exercise. On her non-workout days, she would have to consume 1,500 calories to create the 500 caloric deficit per day.
Alright, that's it. I hope that slideshow was informative and definitely helped to answer some of your questions. So until next time, make sure you eat healthy, work out hard, work hard, play later. Alright, see you next time.
Try to be best, 'cause you're only a man, and a man's got to learn to take it. Try to believe